Hello guys, welcome to the video. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can change your country settings in Amazon Prime Video. That is pretty easy, don't worry. If you watch the video clearly, you can do everything easily. First of all, to of course change our country settings, we have to go Account and Settings. When we go to our account and settings, it will of course ask us to sign in again. I will do this sign in process, enter my password, and go through the website. When we go through the website, we can see a Your Details part. We will say Edit on Amazon. When we do Edit on Amazon, it will ask us to sign in to our Amazon account again. And of course, we gotta do it again. And it will send a Gmail notification. It will send a phone notification. So I will handle all of that off camera and return when I open my account back to show you easier. As you can see guys, I have done my sign in process, and after you do your sign in, it will send you this page as well. After here, we will just go to the up right corner, go to our account and see the screen. Of course, we will not go through here. We will go down here and see digital content and devices. From here, we gotta go manage content and devices, and it will send us right here. Right, we can see content, devices, preferences, and privacy settings. We don't need to handle the privacy settings right now. We will go to preferences. And after going to the preferences, we can see country and region settings. Change your country and region. We will do just that. My country is right now Turkey, and I will click change. It will ask me a full address, and it will want me to actually prove that. Of course, I can just get an address online and do that, or of course get another like already given address. But right now I can just do another address here in United States or Uganda, Tuvalu, whatever country I want. You can of course do that too, and after doing that and pressing update here, it will let you change your country. I hope this guide helped you guys to change your country and everything, and if you have any other problem, you can always tell us down in the comments. But for now, see you in the next video. Hope you have a great day, and goodbye.